Nice.
Hey guys, so it's been about a week since my last video, and I just want to say thank you guys for getting the video and the short to nearly 100 views. I'm pretty sure the short has 100 views by now. I don't know about the video, but so today I originally was gonna make a chocolate cake, but that kind of failed because I'm really bad at baking. So instead today I'm gonna try to make a Chicago style hot dog. Now I'm not really good at it, so I'll let my other friend take care of it because he actually knows how to make it, and he's probably gonna be leading most of the video. So most of the time when you're watching someone cook, that's probably going to be him instead of me. However, he does make the hot dog very well, so yeah. Make sure you wash all of your vegetables to start. Then you want to cut the tomato into thin slices. After that, you want to cut the slices into halves to make sure you can put it in the hot dog. Next, to dice your onion, split a whole onion in half and then chop it into even slices, and then chop it sideways in order to make sure you turn it into little cubes. Then for the bell pepper, cut it into half and then try to cut into fourths. Then you want to try to cut it into eighths, and if you're able to, try to cut into sixteenths as well. I would probably just use a scissor because it's actually kind of difficult. Next, fill a pot 1/3 the way with water and then put it on the stove with high heat. Then on high heat, put a pan on the stove and distribute the oil evenly. Then I want you to add your diced onions and start to saute them. Do it until they're slightly brown, and once that's ready, put it onto a plate to set it aside for toppings. For the same amount of time as the onions, put the bell pepper onto the pan and add the onions in for extra flavor. Once the pot begins to boil, add your 5 sausages and let it cook. Once your bell peppers are a bright color, set them aside in a different plate for toppings. After 5 to 6 minutes of cooking, take the sausages out and set them aside on a different plate so we can use the pot again. Empty the pot full of water and once again, turn the heat to high and put your sausages in. Then move them around until they start forming a nice brown crust. Once the crust on the sausages fully develop, add them to your plate so that we're done with toppings. To assemble a Chicago style hot dog, first place your sausage neatly within the bun, then add your slices of tomato. 1 to 2 should be fine. Then you want to add your bell peppers, also 1 or 2. And then after that, you want to just put a nice layer of onions. Then for sauces, add a nice dollop of relish and make sure you spread it evenly around. Now we're almost done. Then add a whole slice of dill pickle, or you can slice it to dinner slice if you want. Finally, to make it look appealing, add a nice drizzle of mustard. Okay guys, so here's the hot dog. As you can see, it's quite large and beefy, so it's definitely enough for one person.
I made it.
Alright, so anyway, so here's the pickles here and the mustard, and you can see some on the side, the tomatoes and relish. And can't forget the peppers. So yeah, let's have a taste test. My Coke over here. Wow. Okay. This is really good. I like the sausage too because it has this nice unique flavor. I could taste the onions a little bit. I think it adds to the flavor. Also, oh boy, this is very messy to eat. And it's probably going to be the only one to eat today. But yeah, these hot dogs are pretty good if you want to make it at home. You can find these ingredients at pretty much any deli. By the way, thanks to my friend who did like 75% of the entire video.